Everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Tech. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the welcome screen background on your PlayStation 5. So if you go to where it says welcome right next to the PlayStation Store, and then go up with the D-pad, you'll see these different options. You have edit widgets, change presets, and then change background. And then there's some specific ones by PlayStation, and some of them are actually animated, so they're going to move. So this one is moving. It's just kind of like a little color change in the background. Let's go up to one of them for my games. So here's one from Astrobot, which I need to go ahead and start playing again, because that's a fun game. And then we got Media Gallery. So if you save something here, I got this giant QR code for some reason on my PlayStation. And then I got some other video game screenshots on here. So I think I like the Astro Playroom one the most. So I'm going to leave that there. And you can see on the background now, it's completely changed. So this is going to be your welcome screen. And if you go to a different game, it's going to switch over to the game's specific background, which is kind of cool itself, but I like having the option to edit it myself. So just go to this section right here and edit your background. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on Your Six Gaming.